Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Apple iPhone 11 Pro. If you are using it all day long and you are using so many apps and you're pushing on an app and the app is still running and you think, okay, I'm done with that app, slide upward and the app should be deleted, not the app entire, but the running process of the app should be deleted. But this is not the fact. The fact is that this app is still running, but in the background of your device. And if you collect a lot of apps all day long, because you're using so many apps, then you collect a lot of idle working process in the background of your smartphone. And this can be slow down your iPhone a little bit. If you're going to shut off the app because you do not need the app right now, then you slide from the bottom side until you see in the center, and you can see there some apps are coming. Okay, here we are again. Slide from the bottom side up and release. And here you can see so many apps in the background are still open. These apps are still running and they are using a little bit of your random access memory. If you are going to shut off these apps to gain a little bit more power, swipe upward. Swipe them away and then the apps are closed. That's awesome. Because now your iPhone is a little bit speed up. It's not a big deal, okay? But if you have thousands of apps in the background still running, this can break your performance a little bit. Swipe up to the center, and if there is nothing happens, like here, all apps in the background are shut off. That's nice. Of course, you can reload the app again and use them. But to close them, go to the center, swipe it up. Now it is shut off. So you can gain power a little bit of your iPhone 11 Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.